finds its resting place in Jesus. In His arms my soul finds sleep. So I lean into your promise, letting go of fear and doubt. You have never failed to lift me when my strength is running out. Begins to roar. You remind me of your mercy. You don't hold my faults anymore. When my courage feels like fading and I struggle just to stand, restore the hope within me with the kindness of your hand. Not by my strength, not by my might, but by your Spirit I will rise, safe in your hands. Forever I'll be my Savior, my shelter. You carry me. You go before, you lead me on through every night into the dawn. Your gentle voice still calls to me. My child, you're safe, just rest in me.
every step you call me to. All you want is my surrender and a heart that rests in you.
So I choose to trust your timing, even when I feel undone. For your plans are full of mercy, and your faithfulness is strong.
In the waiting, in the still, you remind me to be still. In quiet trust, I rest in you. I know your word is always true. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
When the noise begins to wander through the corners of my mind, you restore the gentle wonder that your peace is always kind.
Every prayer I lift in silence finds its home within your grace. You're the calm within my breathing. You're the steadiness I face. Teach my soul to wait on you. Help my heart to trust you too. Here I lay my every fear in quiet trust. You draw me near. I know your word is always true. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
You are strong when I am broken. You are gentle when I with compassion overflowing. You restore me through it all.
When my heart is torn and restless, when my strength is wearing thin, you remind me you are present. You bring healing deep within.
You correct me with your mercy. You embrace me with your grace. You defend me when I'm weary. You are strength in every place.
In the moments I feel fragile, when my courage slips away, you become my calm and shelter. You're my refuge day by day.
Every weakness, every tear meets your kindness, meets you here.
Strong and gentle Savior, faithful, loving friend, you hold my heart together time and time again. Strong and gentle Savior, keeper of my soul, in your arms forever I am safe and whole.
When the storm around me rises and my footing starts to fade, you remind me of your promise. You will always keep me safe.
When my voice can barely whisper and my prayers are trembling through, in the quiet of your presence I find strength again in you. You lift me, you calm me, you lead me, you heal me. Strong and gentle Savior, you restore me completely.